Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University, and today I am coming to you with one of the new notification which has been released 2 days before, that is at Telangana SET 2018, which will be held by Osmani University. Guys, I'll be discussing here some of the points like what will be the question paper pattern for 2018 SET in Telangana under Osman University, and what are the important dates when application has been start, when it will be closed, and when it will be date which you can pay extra fees and you can apply, and when will be the examination date, exact examination date I'll be discussing. So first of all, I would like to say that a notification has been released, so fill the application so that you will be
You
not
can
in
see,
hurry
I'll be
when your
discuss here
application
is
date will
like a
be
question
closed,
paper
right? Pattern, what will be the question paper pattern in 2018 set examination? You can see question paper carries will be carrying 300 marks, right? So in this 300 marks, every question will be carrying 2 marks, right? So you can see there will be a two papers. Paper first is for general aptitude, and paper second is for subjective paper which you have applied for the SET exam, right? Paper first will be a general aptitude. Now guys, you can see our channel has been uploaded near or less 20 videos on general aptitude, so you can go through that. So you will be you can cover a maximum concept through our channel, so it will be so helpful for you. So part first, that question paper will be carrying 50 questions with 100 marks carrying, and then 1 hour time will be there to solve the question paper. Then paper second is subjective question paper, which will have 100 questions with 200 marks, and will have 2 hour time to solve all the question papers. Most of the videos we have uploaded on our channel for even general aptitude, or we can say even teaching aptitude, or even subjective also, because in this general aptitude we have uploaded near or less 25 videos. We have one of the series where many questions or many concept has been covered by us in our channel, so you can carry you can follow us on YouTube. Name of our channel is Global Online University. Right now I will be discussing here some of the important dates, right guys? Last date for the submission of online application is 14th April 2018. Online application, this will be the last date. Then with late fee 1500 plus registration fee, last date, that date will be 24th and April and 2018. Then you can see here with late fee 2000 and plus registration fees is like 04 and uh, mm, May and 2018. Then with 300 rupees, 3000 rupees late fee and registration fee, this will be the last date. And date of the examination they have already means given is like a 15th 07 and 2018, right? July 15th July will be the examination will be held, so you can start preparation now itself, right? This is a this all whatever information I have discussed is most important information. And right guys, watch our video all, so that you will get all the information, right? Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please comment, share, and subscribe our channel Global Online University. Thank you.